Now, let's get started on Lesson 11, Coral Reefs, or the Rainforest of the Sea. Coral reefs. They are often called as tropical rainforest of the sea for their richness of life. Due to their structural complexity, corals are one of the most productive ecosystems on Earth, providing services to mankind. Such important services include fisheries, coastal protection, medicines, recreation, and tourism. Where are corals found? Corals can be found throughout the oceans, from deep, cold waters to shallow, tropical waters. Corals also need salt water to survive, so they also grow poorly near river openings with freshwater runoff. Coral reefs are extremely sensitive to changes in light, temperature, overfishing, damaging fishing practices, pollution, and excess sediment from development and erosion. Did you know that human activity is one of the greatest threats to coral reefs? Particularly, the destruction of mangrove forests that naturally absorb sediment and nutrients. Specific fishing impacts on reefs generally include one or more of the following: overexploitation of fish, removal of species or group of species, bycatch and mortality of non-target species, physical damage to reef environments. That ends our Lesson 11, Coral Reefs, Rainforest of the Sea. Bye-bye, my awesome students!
Created using Powtoon.